I'm sorry, I have never seen anything that looks like this. And the fact that it works, I don't know what Beyonce and her team did or what they put in here, but this shit is here to stay. She is here to stay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be here. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Dodos, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button down below. Let's get into this video. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys my Pixie Cut maintenance routine. This is what I do every other week before I actually go into the salon. I go to the salon twice a month. And one thing you need to know about Pixie Cut, it is high maintenance. I'm not even gonna lie to you. If you're thinking about cutting your hair, you better watch this video because I'm gonna be giving you guys the deets, okay? I was super excited because my PR package just came from Cécred and I'm so excited. So without further ado, let us jump into this video and I'm gonna show you guys everything I do from start to finish. See you guys at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Today I'm taking you through my wash day routine using the incredible Cécred hairline, and I'm just going to take you from how my hair goes from this to really shiny, really silky. My hair's been experiencing a lot of product buildup and residue, so I'm super excited to be trying out this product in my Pixie Cut wash routine. I do this step twice a month, starting off by wetting my hair so the product can really sit in. I start off using the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub, and this is a powerhouse. It helps to remove buildup and residue. It also has exfoliants by gently exfoliating my hair to remove any residue or oil buildup. It's like a face exfoliator for your hair and your scalp. It cleanses and preps the scalp for the rest of the entire hair routine. It's perfect for all hair types and it smells like lemon and peppermint. I'm just massaging that into my scalp for about 2 minutes and then it lathers before I go in to rinse off. Now I'm just rinsing all that product off and my hair feels invigorated. It soothes and nurtures my hair and it balances the scalp without overstripping it. So I love that about this particular product. I think this is one of my favorite products in the line. Moving on to the hydrating shampoo. This shampoo is literally a luxury in a bottle. The formula is infused with hyaluronic acid and it leaves your hair feeling really moisturized. I started by applying the shampoo to my scalp and my hair and I work it in for like a nice rich lather. It's infused with antioxidants rich African blend oils, nice fortifying rice protein and hydrating hyaluronic acid. I really love the texture of this product. It gently cleanses the hair from the root to the tip and I love the fact that it lathers well. It's perfect for most hair types unless if you have sparse or thin hair, and it smells like jasmine and some rich complex scent. It's just fantastic. I also love that it is color safe and it leaves my hair feeling moisturized, soft, and it also helps to detangle my hair. My hair needs some serious treatment and so I was super excited to try on the reconstructing treatment mask. This is not a deep conditioner. It's basically a treatment that you can use after shampoo and before conditioner to repair damage. I started by applying it on my wet hair from root to tip, and this has bioactive keratin that strengthens and repairs hair from within. It also helps to reduce breakage and reverse damage from chemical treatments, which I do because my hair is currently relaxed because the cut life. They call this hair repair in a jar, and this is because it is powered by bioactive keratin that strengthens and repairs the hair from within. This is best for hair that's seeking damage repair from color treatment and heat styling, which I do. I leave it in for about 20 minutes before coming back to do a quick rinse. I like to make sure I take my time while rinsing my hair so that every product and everything comes out. Now let's bring my dehydrated and dull hair back to life. I'm going to be using this buttery deep conditioner. This has 8 moisturizing butters and oils, which is amazing. I'm super excited to try this, and I'm going to apply this into my hair, adding the products to my hands to activate, and then I'm going to evenly distribute it from my root to the tip. I like to leave this in my hair and then going with a comb. For best results, it's great to actually use a plastic cap or go under like a dryer, and you can leave this in your hair for no longer than 30 minutes, after which I rinse thoroughly. This product is perfect if your hair is in need of deep moisture and hydration. My hair is so dry and flaky flaky that I feel like I need this. I love the smell of it. It's very rich, it's very buttery. The formula is amazing and it helps to define curls as well. My hair honestly feels so soft and I've never seen results more instant. Now I'm going in with this towel. I got this towel from Amazon. I'm going to link it below, and it's like a head wrap towel. I use this on my hair just to get all that water out before going in to dry and style my hair. Guys, mind blown. This is not even just because it's Beyonce. Mind blown. The products, the consistency, how my hair feels after, amazing. First of all, can you guys see how gigantic this package is? This box, whoa. This box is, it has all the products here. It also came with like product information about every individual product. I am so pumped. The packaging is just really 10 over 10. I'm sorry, I have never seen anything that looks like this. And the fact that it works, I don't know what Beyonce and her team did or what they put in here, but this shit is here to stay. She is here to stay. So this is my hair. I let it air dry a bit and you can see my hair feels so soft and shiny, but this is where styling comes in. I'm going in with this moisture sealing lotion, and this is a luscious lotion that just hydrates, seals and strengthens my hair. It also provides a light hold, and you can apply this on damp or dry hair. My hair is currently damp, so it's perfect for what I'm about to do. You can apply this along with heat protectant or before heat protectant. I'm gonna do this just before heat styling, and it helps to fight frizz and flyaways. I'm just combing my hair to make sure that the product is in there. Now going in with every Pixie girl's favorite, the Avalon Affirm Rapid Foam, and this provides a long-lasting hold. I'm going to comb that through my hair. I'm going to evenly distribute it before I comb it through, and this is the thing that you need to really wrap and set and mold your hair in place. If you're a Pixie Cut girly, this is a must-have. There is no Pixie Cut without these products, and I'm not even lying to you. When you've made sure that it's evenly coated and your hair is evenly coated with it, going with this styling comb, and you just want to comb down and you're running your fingers, pressing it down to make sure that you're molding it in the way that you want. This step is very essential, and I do this. I also start to make swirls in the front of the hair and at the back of the hair. This product is so good. I've tried multiple wrapping foams, but this one, I love it because there's no stiffness or flaking with it. You really want to take your time to create the swirls and the curves, and honestly, the more you do it, the more you get more confident styling your hair. You just have to try, you just have to go in and do it. I've been doing this for a while now, and every time it gets better. So if I can do it, you can do it. So girl, don't sleep on this step, okay? Now that I have gotten my desired mold, I'm gonna go in with the Rapid black styling strips, and you can get this on Amazon. I like to take a couple of sheets, and this is to help keep the hair in place while the hair sets. Now you can go under the dryer if you want it quick. I like to air dry my hair these days because I just do not have time to use another dryer. So I do this, and this keeps the hair in place. I'm gonna let my hair air dry, and I'll come back to show you guys what it looks like. Secure it at the back, and you can secure it in front as well. This is key. Now my hair is dried, we're gonna go into styling, which is where everything really is, guys. This is the real deal. But you can see my hair, everything is in place, it air dried. You really don't need perfection with this step. Now I'm going in with a nourishing hair oil, and this oil has a blend of 13 different oils. It helps to seal in moisture and add shine without leaving the hair too shiny. It just gives a perfect natural shine. And this product is really good because it's paraben and silicone free. I'm applying that into my hair, and you can apply that into like towel dried hair to add moisture and nourishment. I love the smell of it. It smells like oud and like just really nice jasmine scent. It's perfect. The other day my husband was like, your hair smells nice. I was like, babes, it's Cécred. Now I'm going to use this tiny straighteners to create curls. I like to take my time while doing this process. I use this styling comb or picking comb to cut out the lines before gently going and creating C curls on my hair. With this step, you have to go with vibes, because sometimes 90% of the times I cannot see what I'm doing at the back, but I just have to do it anyway. I start in different sections, and you have to be patient. I start on one side. When I feel like it's perfect, I move to the other side, and then I do the front, and then I do the back. I'm gonna let you enjoy watching me do the curls, and I'll show you guys the final look. This is the steps you have to go through when you have a pixie cut. The maintenance is high maintenance, but it's so worth it. I've never enjoyed my hair more than when I'm in a pixie cut. I feel so beautiful. I feel so confident. My hair feels amazing. My hair feels luscious. Look at that shine in my hair, guys. Like, you can't tell me that you do not see it. My hair literally feels well nourished and alive. With the back is never perfect for me because I can barely see what I'm doing. So honestly, the back is just really vibes. No perfection, but somehow it ends up working out well. It looks crazy now, but trust me, at the very end, you just kind of run your fingers through. And this is what I love about this hairstyle. I'm also going with this Topic building fiber because postpartum has taken your girl's edges. I just dust that in. I lift my hair and I put that in the areas that I feel like I need to cover up before running my fingers through. And I use this nice styling comb as well. You can get it on Amazon, linked in my storefront below. And my hair is done. My hair looks perfect. Just keep adjusting till you get the perfect look that you want. This is the overall finished look. My hair feels visibly clean. My hair looks visibly nourished. I can't wait to keep using this product in my routine, and really it's been a game changer. All Cécred products smell divine and amazing. Loads of like sandalwood, jasmine, spices and notes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you're a pixie cut girly or if you would try Cécred products. But look at your girl. Your girl is back. She is feeling refreshed. I'm going to link everything that I used in this video below. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and do not forget to subscribe, and I'll be sure to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.